Look at the inlay work on the canoe. Kayak. Very, very cool. We're down here live at the Dragon Boat Parades. These guys are having the times of their lives. Look at this. Kempton Hotels and Restaurant. Very, very, very nice. But the marina down here of the hotel is where they do the Dragon Boat races. So, let's see it. All this. Looks like Senator Wang. The King Tide. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, so they're loading up. All those folks waiting to get in. Now loading up into the Dragon boats. So, very, very cool. Very, very cool. 2022. Haven't done this for a couple years because of the Rona. All the hysteria with the Corona shut down everything. Scared everybody out of their minds and shut down everything. So that's the entrance there, where you would go down normally. And here's normally a public dock. But that's all the players right there. Oh no. It's a battle of the corporate logos this year. You can tell the city's hurting on funding when they got to have all those corporate logos on the Dragon boats.
I didn't.
Right, 2022. We'll see what we get. That's the quick walkthrough.